good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're actually doing a restoration video. Now we're not going to do one pair today just because I am not going to do just one pair. We're going to do a restoration on these Jordan 13 Lakers right here, which if you can tell, they're actually in the need of some love, most definitely. And then we're actually going to do a really good pair, which I'm sure is going to get some nice likes. The 11 Low Snakeskins Blue. Now these also could definitely use some love, so I do want to give my homie Terrence a big shout out. Definitely follow Sammy's Parlor on Instagram and check him out on Facebook as well. I'll leave both the links as well. There are a couple of reviews coming. I wonder what they're gonna be. Stay tuned. All right, guys, just check out this time lapse, by the way.